The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boyd County in Kentucky, Carter County in Kentucky, and Greenup County in Kentucky until 5:30 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. This storm was located 26 miles west of Olive Hill, or 10 miles west of Moorhead, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Canonsburg, Olive Hill, Grayson, Carter Caves State Park, in addition, Jasling, Old Town, Lode, Greenbow Lake, Letitia, Colton, Princess, Naples, and Greenup. This storm will also impact the following interstates: I-64 between mile markers 150 and 185 in Kentucky. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building but away from windows. Very heavy rain will also fall from this severe thunderstorm, and will cause water to pond on roads and quickly fill roadside ditches and small streams. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free, area code 877-633-6772, when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Sunday evening for Central Kentucky, Central Virginia, and Central West Virginia.